Hey, this is Sell This Now. Every day I'm looking for new products to sell. So here's my top winning products of the day. Our next product is the golf chipping cornhole game. This is a mind-blowing mashup of golf and traditional backyard games. It's the only backyard game where you can work over your buddies while working on your short game. It's revolutionary. The set includes 2 target boards, 2 heavy-duty chipping mats, and 6 high-density foam balls by Almost Golf. And many other similar products were winners last year around the same period. And we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And this item has a high perceived value and it'll give you a good profit margin. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 2,700 likes and it's been shared more than 1,400 times. Now the selling price for the golf chipping cornhole game is just under $60, whereas the product cost is only $16.54. Shipping will set you back $18.83, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $24.62. Sell this now! Our next product is the smartphone blogging video kit. This is a problem solver. It's an all-in-one solution for YouTubers and streamers on the go. And it's perfect for TikTok. It has 36 powerful LED lights. Now you'll be sure to capture every exciting moment. The equipped condenser microphone will enhance the quality of your audio to professional levels. And this item has a high perceived value and it'll give you a good profit margin. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And the Facebook ad has received thousands of likes. Now the selling price for the smartphone blogging video kit is just under $45, whereas the product cost is only $17.97. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $27.02. Sell this now! One app to rule them all. If you started Shopify Dropshipping and you already set up your store, there is one app you absolutely need. This app is called Vitals. It's an all-in-one Shopify app that combines more than 40 commonly used apps, product bundles, volume discounts, sticky add to cart, currency converter, product reviews, and the list goes on and on. Vitals is always the first app I install every time I create a new store, and it makes me save a ton of money. And at the moment, if you register to Vitals with our link, you will get 45 days free trial instead of 30 days. Click the link in the description to try Vitals for free. It will be the best app you've ever installed on your store. Our next product is the Sushi Maker Roller. Amaze your friends and family during your dinners with homemade sushis. It's easy to use. You can use the maki rolls with your children for a friendly family moment. It will save you money. You'll be able to eat sushi without feeling guilty and make it a weekly habit, even a ritual. In addition to being made with durable materials, BPA and paraben free, the components of the sushi roll are designed to be dishwasher safe. And it's a proven seller on AliExpress with many orders. And finally, the Facebook ad is getting a lot of engagement. Now the selling price of the Sushi Maker Roller is just under $20, whereas the product cost is only $4.03. Shipping will set you back $1.91, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $14.05. Sell this now! Our next product is the bow tie textured butt lifting sports shorts. These shorts are very comfortable all the way round, plus they give you fashion with comfort and can be worn with different styles. They're super stretchy and fall under the fashion niche market. They're not sheer and are great quality for the price. And a similar legging with the same wow effect was a huge winner last year. And we also think that this item has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And finally, the Facebook ad has received a lot of engagement. Now the selling price for the bow tie textured butt lifting sports shorts is just under $24, whereas the product cost is only $9.14. Shipping is completely free, so you're looking at a good profit margin of $14.85. Sell this now! Our next product is the portable Iron Air Purifier. Now this is a problem solver. It cleans the air. And with this device you can increase the amount of oxygen in the air. It falls under the self-care niche market, and we also think that this item has a broad market base, and it's suitable for the elderly and young children. And it's perfect for a one-product store or to create a brand around. And we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And this item has a high perceived value and will give you a good profit margin. And similar but portable products have been selling very well before on the market. And the Facebook ad has more than 2,300 likes and it's been shared more than 1,600 times. Now the selling price for the portable iron air purifier is just under $28, whereas the product cost is only $4.58. Shipping will set you back $1.98, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $21.43. Sell this now! Our next product is the One Pair Premium Quality Motorcycle Light. Now this is a problem solver. It improves your safety when riding your motorcycle at night. This motorcycle spotlight is made of high quality nylon shell and has an aluminum alloy base. And the motorcycle niche is very passionate. It's easy to install, just install it on the rod of the rear view mirrors. And we also think it has a lot of untapped potential. So far there haven't been many orders on AliExpress, so you could definitely take advantage of this. And this item has a high perceived value and will give you a good profit margin. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 12,000 likes and thousands of comments. Now the selling price for the One Pair Premium Quality Motorcycle Light is just under $60, whereas the product cost is only $27.99. Shipping will set you back $4.42, so you're looking at an excellent profit margin of $27.58. Sell this now! We all know that Shopify Dropshipping is becoming more and more competitive. Finding new products before everyone else is the name of the game. There is no magic or luck in this process. Dropshippers with the best tools will always be ahead of the trend. ADPLEXITY is a premium research tool that gives you real-time data on top trending products. Unlike other research tools, it literally reveals the most profitable products and stores at the moment. As a result, they're the only one that can show you hottest trending products in real time before they get saturated. And good news for our subscribers, we got you an exclusive 25% lifetime discount on your ADPLEXITY membership. Click the link in the description to find out. Our next product is the Flower Blossom Sugar Art Mold. This lets you create and decorate pastry with delicious petite fondant blossom flowers. Having 4 vivid petal molds and 4 cutters, you can easily model beautiful hydrangeas, cherry blossoms, daisies and petunias with the easy release mold. It's durable and made of premium food grade silicone and stainless steel. It's tasteless and non-toxic. And it's safe to use in the oven, microwave and freezer with high temperature resistance. It's designed with a realistic look of various kinds of flowers. And the Facebook ad has received more than 4,500 likes and it's been shared more than 1,200 times. Now the selling price for the Flower Blossom Sugar Art Mold is just under $24, whereas the product cost is only $1.99. Shipping will set you back $4.80, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $17.20. Sell this now! Our next product is the Wolf Tooth Stone Pendant. Now these are 4 different stones that you can choose from. There's obsidian. This stone exposes flaws and weaknesses and therefore helps you to look forward. There's amethyst. Amethyst will help you sleep, recall dreams, relieve headaches and open your mind. Then there's malachite. Malachite represents new life and rebirth as well as energy and growth. And finally there's clear quartz. This amplifies and transforms energy, it neutralizes and harmonizes all of the chakras. And this item has a high perceived value and will give you a good profit margin. And it's perfect for a one product store. And finally, the Facebook ad has more than 4,700 likes. Now the selling price for the Wolf Tooth Stone Pendant is just under $24, whereas the product cost is only $2.07. Shipping will set you back $3.12, so you're looking at a very good profit margin of $18.80. Sell this now! Thanks for watching. Now if you like this video and you got some value watching it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as I release one video every day with my selection of winning products. You don't want to miss that. Let me know in the comment which product did well for you, and see you tomorrow for another episode of Sell This Now.